If you're tired of paying hundreds of dollars every month for software just to run an online business, then this video might save you a ton of money. Today, I'm reviewing Christmas Suite 2025, an all-in-one AI bundle that gives you 8 powerful apps for a one-time payment. Stick around, because I'll also show you how to unlock a $43,000 bonus bundle. So what exactly is Christmas Suite? It's a complete AI business stack built for affiliates, bloggers, marketers, freelancers, and even beginners. You can create funnels, websites, Amazon affiliate stores, SEO blogs, ebooks, graphics, and emails, all from one dashboard, without coding or tech headaches. Here are the biggest reasons Christmas Suite stands out. First, you get 8 AI apps in one bundle, replacing tools for design, funnels, blogging, Amazon sites, and email marketing. Second, it's a one-time payment. No $792 per month in subscriptions, lifetime access. Third, the Amazon affiliate automation lets you build review and deal sites in minutes, pulling from millions of products. And finally, the AI content engine helps you create SEO-ready blogs, professional ebooks, graphics, and branding assets fast. Bottom line, it saves time, money, and effort. Pros: one-time payment, beginner-friendly, multiple income streams, no tech skills required. Cons: the launch price is temporary, and it will go up soon. When you grab Christmas Suite through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and resources designed to skyrocket your online business. These bonuses perfectly complement the main product. So if you want an all-in-one AI business system without monthly fees, Christmas Suite 2025 is absolutely worth checking out. Click the link in the description to lock in the early bird price, grab the software, and claim your $43,000 bonus bundle before it's gone.